Hi, my name is Mac McKenzie. I'm a digital strategist in the healthcare industry. I chose to pursue an MBA to improve the role I can play in bringing medical breakthroughs to patients and improving global health. I chose Stevens because of its strong reputation in technology and its flexible online program allowed me to continue working while I earned my degree. It really let me balance the academics with my career demands and spending time with my family. Also, Stevens' world-class faculty is focused on curriculum that is relevant to today's business and digital worlds, with courses in entrepreneurship, corporate innovation, artificial intelligence, and digital marketing. I also appreciated the program's learn by doing approach. Project teams allowed me to build a network of cross-disciplinary professionals, many of whom I call my friends today. Yes, I'm very happy with my decision to go to Stevens, and I would absolutely do it again. The program was challenging, but it was very rewarding. And what I learned has made me not just a better team member, but also a better leader. If you're a working professional who is considering getting an MBA, I strongly encourage you to learn more about the program at Stevens. I believe you'll find it's a valuable investment in your future. Congratulations on making this first step in your learning journey. First step's often the hardest.